Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to find a winning furniture product to sell well online. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've built my own 8-figure furniture brand, Nancy Home Store, and now I'm teaching furniture stores how to do the exact same thing. So let's get right into the video. So a winning furniture product consists out of 4 factors. The first factor is uniqueness. So this means, are other people, other furniture stores already offering this exact furniture piece in their collection? If so, then that's usually not a very good thing. Although if we can compete with them on price, it is fine. What would be ideal is to have a certain furniture model that is nowhere else to be found except for your store. Because if people like this exact model, they have to come to you, and otherwise they can't get this, right? So how we typically do that is by sourcing from exclusive suppliers that other people aren't able to find, right? So typically we source these overseas or in like another country. So native suppliers are very rarely not utilized yet by other competitors because they are native, they're easy to access. But if we go, for example, to India or China or Mexico, then these suppliers are way more rare in the United States, for example, in terms of how many people are selling these products. So that's the first factor, the uniqueness. So the second factor is the price, which kind of speaks for itself, but even if the model isn't the exact same model, we still should be looking at competitors. So if we have a model that no one else is selling yet, but we are selling it for 4 grand and a competitor is selling something quite similar for 2 grand, then we're simply not going to sell well. Like, we're making it pretty hard for ourselves to sell well. So we should look around at what is a normal price to charge for a piece like we're offering here. That can be with anything, right? It can be with this sofa, for example. If we offer this for 5 grand and a competitor of ours is offering a similar corner sofa for 3 grand, then there's a kind of a disconnect there. So we should try to match that price as much as we can. Then the third factor for having a winning product that sells well online is the pictures. So this means to have good white background pictures, the lifestyle images as well as some detailed images, which are like close-ups from the material, from the color, so people can see the exact piece that we're talking about. Then fourthly, also having some diagrams is very good. So for example, displaying the length and the width of the actual piece. Maybe if it's water resistant, making a little diagram of that it can resist water. So that is something very important. Also important to have them all in high quality. So I would say at least 1080 by 1080 pixels, but the higher the better, of course. And then fourthly, the delivery time is also crucial in the space. So if all of our competitors are offering our furniture type for like a 2-week delivery time, and we're taking 4 months to deliver it, that's a bit of a disadvantage that we have there, right? So if we have a way better price and our pictures are way better, then probably we'll be able to get away with it. Like, in terms of the 4 factors, the delivery time is definitely the least important factor in my experience, but we should do our very best to at least match, or if possible even have a shorter delivery time than our competitors, to just have a better value proposition, right? So I hope that makes sense. I hope this helps you to identify winning furniture products to sell well in your online furniture store. It might sometimes be a bit intimidating when you get this whole file of products from a supplier and you have no idea what you want to start offering, right? So this should give you a very good guidance on like which products you start to offer, essentially. So hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about this topic, then feel free to drop a comment below. I read all the comments myself. By the way, there's a link in the description. If you click on that link, that'll tell you a bit more about what we do. I really don't care if you click it or not. I just hope you got amazing value out of this video, but just letting you know that it is there in case you would like us to help you grow your furniture sales, right? So thanks for watching. We appreciate your time, and have an amazing day. Bye.